Do you think HarmonyOS and Google can live together? Let's check this. Okay guys, this is my Huawei Mate 30 Pro using HarmonyOS version 2, and today we'll try to use Google Apps on it. Basically there is two methods to use Google on your HarmonyOS devices. The first one is like me, to have and install all the Google Apps natively on your device using Google mobile services, and the second one, the easiest one, is today's method. But before we start, let's take a minute for today's sponsor. Rich Wallet. Rich is a next-gen front pocket wallet. You can see what's the difference between the old ones, the bigger, ugly ones, and this beautiful guy. You can store inside it up to 12 cards plus cash. You can select from over 30 colors and styles like carbon fiber and burnt titanium. My choice is titanium gunmetal with cash strap because it's so minimal and beautiful. These durable materials means every wallet is coming with lifetime warranty, and of course you can test it for 45 days, and if you doesn't like it for some reason, you can send it back and will receive your full refund. It's made with RFID blocking technology that protects you everywhere. Your cards will be safe inside a Rich Wallet. You can use my coupon code ROSS and will receive a 10% off from your next wallet. Links and coupon code will be in video description. The future is in my hands, so this is going to the trash. So today we'll use the most simple and the most quickest method to have Google Apps on your Huawei HarmonyOS device. And to do this, let's open Huawei App Gallery and of course search for famous app Gspace. Here it is, Gspace, 8 million installs, and by this number you can understand that this application is working. This is version 1.1.3 and let's install it. Alright, we are ready. Okay, application is installed and ready for use. Let's just open it and tap start. Give it permissions, of course. Alright, let's download that kit. And Gspace is installed on our Huawei HarmonyOS version 2 device. So basically here you have a screen with most of the apps used from Google. And before we start, I can suggest you do the following thing. Just go to your apps, settings, and go to Gspace. I will go through the easy way. And from here open permissions, and you can see you have only give permissions to Gspace to use your storage and phone. If you want everything from that application to work perfectly without any problems, just give it all the permissions. I will do this. But if you are scared for something, this is a personal decision. You can always check the permissions which you want to give or which you don't want to give. I will enable all the permissions for that application. So let's start. Allow all the time for location is important if you are using Google Maps. If you are planning to use Google Maps, just enable allow all the time location permissions. Other way it will cause problems. Let's go back. And that's it, we enable all the permissions for Gspace. Now let's open the application and you can see app shortcuts are here. These are just shortcuts, not the actual apps. And if you want, guys, here is the important step. If you want to use the Play Store, just hold your finger here, select upgrade, and that will point you to Play Store. And now, because we didn't sign to our Google account yet, we need to sign in here, of course. This pop-up message is important. Your device model is Huawei MI AL00. Gspace is your virtual space device. Its model is Nova 4E and your account will be locked in Nova 4E. So guys, if you receive an email that a device Nova 4e is logged in your Google account, that's your personal device, because we need to mask somehow our device because it doesn't support Google services natively. Alright, now it's time to enter our Gmail details. Of course, your password. And we are ready to go. Just tap I agree. And this is the email which I was talking about. Your Google account was just signed in from a new Huawei Nova 4e device. You are getting this email to make sure it was you. So guys, our device is recognized as Nova 4e. Final steps, just accept, and that was it. Now you can open again Gspace. If you hold your finger here, select upgrade. Now this time it will open directly Google Play. And this is the Google Play. Your account is here. Of course, you can add another account. All the apps are here. And we have working Google Play on our HarmonyOS device. Now let's just continue. Every app with this flame means that this is just a shortcut. It's not the actual app. So if you tap on Gmail, now it will download and install Gmail from Google Play. And now it's ready. So I got it. This is your email. Take me to Gmail. And of course it will load all your Gmails. Next application, Google Maps. If you again tap here, of course you will receive advert and application will automatically download and install from Google Play. And if you want to do this manually, just hold your finger here, select upgrade, and now Google Play will be open and you can just tap install and Google Maps will be installed on your device. Now Google Maps is installed and let's check it's working or not. Let's open it. Let's tap here. No thanks. Tap again and you can see, because I'm here in Bulgaria, it is directly find and point my location. Of course, turn-by-turn navigation is working. Let's try it. Let's search for Berlin, for example. Here it is. My location. And it's directly goes from Bulgaria to Berlin, Germany. And that means our navigation is working. Let's start it.
This route may cross country borders. Verify COVID-19 border restrictions before going.
Okay, you can see everything is perfectly working. Let's just close it. That was it. Google Maps is working. If it's not working, as I told you before, just here on your Google Play, search for browser. Here it is. And install, for example, this Brave private browser. And just search for Google. And now search Google Play Services. And here is Google Play Services Play Store link. If you tap here on it, it will directly open your Google Play, and now you can update your Google Play services. But do this if you experience any problems with maps, your location or anything else. Now we are updating Google Play services. Let's wait then. And we are ready. Let's go to our home screen. Again, let's open Gspace. Let's tap Google Maps. So let's again tap on location and you can see it's locate me immediately. Navigation is working, so Google Maps are perfectly working with Gspace. If you want another application, again as I told you, or if you want to open a Play Store just on one of the applications here, you can just hold your finger on it and select upgrade, and that will directly open Google Play. From here just hit install and it will install your application. We are using latest version of HarmonyOS. That was it guys. If you like this video and if this video helps you somehow, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.